So in this video I'm going to go through a bit of an unboxing video with the difference. Well, for starters, they're not in boxes. So this is a bunch of stuff I've bought online, loads of different orders. I'm going to bring it all together as one big job lot and see how bad it actually is. There's a hint. And see what I can make from it. So I've got myself a knife, a pair of scissors. Let's go for it. They're not dead bodies, by the way. They just look like it. So I know what these were listed as. Oh wow. I don't actually know what they're from for certain. Ford Escort Mark 4, yes. Model variant, no idea. Number one. The back material is really good. Side bolster. Definitely seen better days. The leather's a bit hard. It's still there, I can make a pattern from it. And it's split. Extends all the way around. As for the plastics, it's got all the important bits on it. It's good. Not opening these in any particular order, just half thrown them on the floor. Interesting. So it is in a box. Seat back, rear left, not too shabby. Signs of an amplifier having been fitted to it, probably in the 2000s. They're not bad. Not bad. More cardboard in here, so I can go wild a bit with the scissors. another seat back rear left, and it's a good sign it matches that as well. I bought that separately. A rusty mark up back to treat it with some heat so you can get the frame to recover. Yeah, looks alright. This one looks like it's been under the sea though. Well, I might be stripping that. Let's see. Oh dear. Oh dear, oh dear. This one possibly isn't even good enough to make a pattern out of. Definitely going to be a challenge. It's gone up here as well. Wow. This is all complete now. Should put a bit of cardboard down really so not to damage them. Let me scissors. Missing the side adjusters, but it has got the seat foam and it has got the runners. It's got the plastics in brilliant condition. Yeah, that's good. It's good. What do you reckon? That's a bit of Recaros. That's that painting material. It's like a grey leather rather than a black leather. Yeah. Back to one side. Trying not to damage it. What else have we got? I haven't got any scissors. Yeah. Can you tell what it is yet? Can't be as bad as the other two. Can't be as bad as the other two. I need one good one. One good one. It's not looking too hopeful. You know what? That foam's gone as well. Got any seat foams? Hit me up. Send me a message. Unless it's like 2027, I've probably done it by then. How is it possible this still smells like 1990? It's in one piece. It's in one piece. Look. After seeing the other two, it's a thing of beauty. Dirty? Yes. Repairable? Yes. Did not expect that. Did not expect that. Wow, sorry about that. I had to run off. My little boy was shouting me upstairs. So that shows how long I got to do any sort of filming at the minute. So, where we are. Headrest. I did not expect that not to have leather on it. Luckily, I've just pulled out the other seat back, which has. So I guess we've got a complete seat. The seat back looks okay. I only have half a runner. Half a runner. That is a little inconvenience. And a homemade seat base. And homemade foam by the looks of it. So I've got one broken seat foam. This isn't a seat foam, this is some foam in a seat, which is totally different. A runner missing. Adjusting the knob, completely smashed. Side plate in place, side plate in place. No adjusters. Interesting, and no headrest cover. Just have to see how they go together. Let's think of the positive. Looks like a small child's taking a bite out of it too. Put this one in. Don't scratch it. There we go. In. Oh, so we've got left in here. There. What do we think this is? Expected more. Expected more. So Smells like it's been in the sea. This thing absolutely kills me.
Is this thing on?
You would forget it. This is homemade. This is not something that's come out of the Recaro factory. This isn't a cleaning video, don't worry. Hasn't just totally changed tack. Yeah. It's not broken through the leather, it looked like a split. And then it looked like mud. But it is actually a graze. So what have we got here? Seat frame. A little bit rusty. Maybe a lot rusty. Some leather. Yeah, we can work with that. See what we can do.